Hey, I'm Elizabeth. There's a new bus pass that allows Fairfax County High School students to ride the bus for free. Let me show you how it works. First, register at school to get your free pass. Then, go to fairfaxconnector.com to check out the schedules on your smartphone or computer. The schedules may look a little complicated, but they really aren't. First, look at the map and figure out where you want to go and when. Next, find the intersection that's closest to where you want to catch the bus. Look for the departure times closest to that stop. Keep in mind that bus stops are located about every 2 blocks along the bus route, so only a few of the stops are shown on the map. Then find the intersection that's nearest to your destination and check out what time the bus will arrive there. It's that simple. For the return journey, just follow the same steps in the reverse direction of travel. Today, my friend Tree decided to ride his bike to the bus stop. That's not a problem on the Fairfax Connector. The bus has a rack on the front that lets him secure his bike while he rides. And that's it. Let's go. Hey.
Hi, glad to have you on board.
Just show the bus driver your pass, and that's it. A free ride to wherever the connector goes. There are just 5 things you need to know before you go. Have your student pass ready to show the driver when you board the bus. Your free student pass will only work on Fairfax Connector. If you switch to Metro or another bus system, you will still need your Smart Trip card. Your pass works Monday through Friday only from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Other times, you have to pay using cash or your Smart Trip card. Another important thing to remember is to give respect to get respect. It's important to be kind to other riders, especially those with special needs. There are seats designed just for them, so try to avoid sitting there. If you get lost or turned around, the Fairfax Connector drivers are great. Just tell them you need help and they will help you figure out how to get where you need to go.
Hey, thanks for the ride. Let me grab my bike.
No problem, have a good one.
That's it! The new Fairfax Connector Student Pass program is great. It's free, it's safe, it takes me where I want to go, it's good for the environment. And I can safely text and scan social media while I ride, so I stay connected with my friends. So talk to your parents or guardians and get registered for your free Fairfax Connector Student Pass and go. See you on the bus!